Today, super excited. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, and you're welcome to Cryptocurrency Update. I just decided to do this short video for you guys. A lot of people have been asking, what is your view on Wiki Cat Coin? And I've said some on my channel, but I just want to go a bit deeper. For a lot of you that you're just coming into the cryptocurrency space, and you need to have this basic concept about any project you're told to put in money in. And if this is your first time coming into my channel, you want to click on the subscriber button so that you can get the best whenever we upload the latest video based on cryptocurrency, forex trading, and how to make money online. Basically, that is what we do here. So let's get busy with Wiki Cat Coin. Number one, here, when you go to the website on Wiki Cat Coin, you can go from CoinMarketCap or you go via Google. You want to know the kind of project it is. Don't forget that when it comes to cryptocurrency, there are projects that are driven by community, there are projects that are driven by use case, which is utility. There are projects that are driven by VCs. You want to know all this kind of what is driving this particular project, okay? So when it comes to Wiki Cat, guys, number one thing you want to know is that it is a deflationary meme coin. Deflationary meme coin means that the supply it has a fixed or reducing supply. That means that the supply cannot be increased. And that is a good one, which is one of the things that is driving Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a constant supply, okay? But deflationary means that the supply is decremental, okay? So that means that it's a good, it has a number one checklist that enables us to be able to say, okay, it's a good one. The second part is that it is a meme coin project. A meme coin project. What is a meme coin project? A meme coin project is a project that naturally does not have a use case, or it will later be created, but it is driven by community. Because it is driven by community, it is a meme coin. And if you have been following me well, I tell you guys that meme coin should only have 1% of your entire 10% of your entire portfolio. So that means that if you have $1,000, it can only have 100% of your entire meme coin. Don't let your whole entire portfolio be exposed to too much of meme coin. I see a lot of people, what they do is they just buy meme coin as people are telling them, and after a long time they are tired of cryptocurrency. It's because your entire portfolio is based on meme coin. So for me, my entire portfolio only has 10% of meme coin. So you have to be very careful. Then we also have a 1% slippage, which is the difference between the bid and the spread. So it means that whenever you are buying this project, there's a 1% spread that you need to take care of, which is a price, a fee, which is one of the ways the Wiki Cat team makes money. So you have to be very smart and be aware of that. Very, very important, okay? It has a 1,000 trillion supply, okay? And it is a project that was owned by someone, but it has now been renounced, guys. Renounced. So that means that it is solely controlled by community right now. 31% of these tokens are being burned, guys. And I tell you guys, a good one, because when tokens are burned, it allows it allows the price of the project to be stable, okay? So it is a good one for this project. Now, the goal of this project is to establish a NFT club. That means this is their future plan, where users can hold the NFT, buy and sell the NFTs on a peer-to-peer platform. So this is the project that they have in mind to turn this guy to. But right now, it's still a community. Come on, community meme coin. Okay, they have a fair futures. Okay, they have 1%. I've said that. They have the liquidity locked 100% forever, which is not bad. Then roadmap, they have their roadmap. Okay, so I don't want this video to be very long. I just want to share some things with us. Okay, now having established the fundamental part, the market always is right on 3 cardinal or coordinate points: the sentimental, the fundamental, and the technical. The fundamental that allows you to know if the project is a viable project. If you can hold it for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. Okay, but when it comes to cryptocurrency. But the technical analysis allows you to know the location to buy. So I see a lot of time people buy projects without considering the technical analysis. Then the project jumps on them. Then they don't like that. And that is why this video is important for you. Come on, guys, because you must know basic fundamental of the project you are buying in. Basic technical analysis of the project you are putting in your hard-earned money. So let's move into the technical analysis. This is Wiki Cat project chart. Look at between March to December last year, nothing happened on this project. And when this project was denounced and was beginning to be driven by community, it went high and gave massive profit. But you are not expected to buy immediately, guys. You're not expected to buy immediately when you see the candle goes up, because the people that bought when it was extremely low would jump on you. And this is what happens to a lot of projects, a lot of meme coin projects. You must understand that you don't buy when the candle is going up, when the ovation is loud. You buy when the ovation is low. That is why you buy when the market is, when the noise is low, when people are afraid, when people are fearful, then you sell when people are greedy. This is not the time to jump in, because if you want 50%, it can end up keep going down. And if it keeps going down, you might end up losing your entire investment on this. So what is Mr. Maiwa saying right now? This particular project has gone extremely to the top. Don't buy now. Wait for a retracement. When it comes to technical analysis, we have what is called impulse and correction. This is an impulse. If this project will give you the kind of money you are all expecting, you expect this market to do a full retracement, a 78.6 or 78.6 retracement before it can go up. But if you buy right now, guys, the people that have bought earlier this month, they've started jumping right now, and you're going to be blaming yourself. So I expect you guys to wait. So when you wait for that retracement, this is where you will now buy. Now, Mr. Mayowa, where with the retracement? If you don't know anything about retracement, you can just use fib retracement, draw from the extreme low to the extreme to the top, and what? Let me see the settings. Good. It should not be reversed. So you're going to be buying anything below this 78.6. This is the only place you are permitted to buy if you truly want to add Wiki Cat to your account. When you not buy anything lower here, then we will be good to go to the top. But right now, you don't have license. You are not encouraged. Don't buy because other people are buying. Buy because it is time to buy. Okay, so this is what I want to bring to you guys, that you have to be very careful. You have this basic knowledge so that you don't jump in when people are shouting or when the ovation is loud. Okay, that is what I have for you today. If this is your first time, make sure you click on the subscriber button and make sure you comment below the project, the meme coin project you want me to help you analyze, and I will upload it for you to take decision. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys soon. My name remains Mayo Wawolabi. Goodbye. Talk to you soon.